This video will give a brief overview of searching library resources particular to biological and biomedical sciences here at Marquette University. Even if you've done scholarly literature research before, it's a good idea to get familiar with how the resources are set up here at Marquette, particular to your needs and areas of research. If you're searching from off campus, a first concern would be making sure that you enable access to all of the proprietary and subscription information that the library pays for. In general, you'll be asked to log in with a screen like this anytime you try to open a database or a journal from off campus. But it doesn't hurt to preemptively log in and make sure that your access is continuous as you're searching. We also have some resources that require use of the VPN, or virtual private network, in order to access them from off campus. You'll see that those items are indicated with an icon in the databases list. In getting started with your research, we recommend that in the Articles and Databases tab, you use the subject-specific subsets for biology or biomedical sciences to navigate to relevant databases and collections. You'll see that there is some overlap in the content, but also some distinct collections identified between biological and biomedical sciences. As you begin your research and start to identify collections to search, it's a good idea to notice that some of our databases are specifically scholarly information only, while others have a mixture of scholarly information and popular as well as trade publications in single or multiple disciplines. As you begin searching in the databases, you'll notice, and it's a good idea to start to look for, the common features in the setup across multiple databases. Most notably, limiters along the margins of the results screen are a common feature in many databases. Among those limiters, you may see source type or publication type, depending on what kind of database you're in. A database with a mixture of scholarly as well as popular publications will give you this option for you to refine the results that you look at. Almost every database offers you an option for limiting the publication date so that you can control the currency of the research that you're looking at. Another helpful limiter is document type, also sometimes called article type. In a science database specifically, article in the document type limit box generally refers to primary research articles, those that produce new results and information based on a single experiment, test, or finding. Review generally indicates a scholarly scientific review article. This is secondary research, where researchers look at multiple examples of primary research, synthesize them, analyze them, and bring them together to give a statement on the state of the field as far as research in a question, as well as a call for new research in that area to figure out where the next findings might come from. Both of these types of articles are scholarly and can be great pieces of information depending on your needs at the time that you are searching. Finally, some databases will also give you a limit option for subject terms. Subject terms are the official labels within the database for concrete elements and concepts that are represented in the information that's indexed in this database. These can be a great way to refine or redirect your search if you're finding that your results are not matching your expectations. When you find an item that you're interested in looking at more closely, it's possible that you may see the full text in either HTML and or PDF right in the database that you're originally searching. If you don't see the PDF immediately available inside of the database, then instead you're most likely to see a blue and gold Find It at MU link. This allows you to search across our other databases and individual journal subscriptions to see if the full text is available in an electronic format immediately. If we do not have electronic access to the journal or the particular article that you are looking for, you will see on this page an indication for interlibrary loan, which allows you to request the article from another library. If you are looking for a known item, or you have very specific requirements for the research that you're intending to find, you may wish to use the advanced search in the databases, which allows you to control for certain features of the results that come back to you. Most commonly used are author of the article, title of the article, and publication of the article. Although occasionally subject headings, if they are known in advance, can be useful in this search also. Finally, if you are searching from on campus or are logged in through off-campus access, you can also search Google Scholar and find that you'll navigate through the subscriptions particular to Rainer Memorial Library. This allows you to use Google Scholar as an additional search engine akin to a database for searching materials that you have access to as part of Marquette University. This has been a very brief overview of some options and techniques for searching that are available to you here at Marquette University. But it's true that not all of our databases work the same. Particularly, CINAHL and Medline have different features and functionality to them. If you find as you're searching that you run into a problem, have questions about full text, or would like to discuss your particular research question more specifically with a person, never hesitate to get in touch through the Ask Us button with either a librarian or information specialist at the information desk, or to schedule an individual research consultation with the subject librarian specific to your area of research. This is a great way to have one-on-one contact and problem solving and discussion regarding your particular question with a subject expert in your area.